Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. The August stats are showing the local markets are in a relatively balanced state. Buyers are able to select inventory that isn't turning over at too fast of a pace, and sellers are still able to sell at fair prices in less than a month on average. Let's take a look at some of the key Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats relative to August of last year. For Guelph, the median sale price was $775,000, which is up by 1.7%. The average sale price per square foot was $478, down by 1.6%. The total number of listings was 234, up by 18.2%, and the total number of sales was 133, up by 10.8%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $710,000, which is down by 1.5%. In Waterloo, the median sale price was $730, up by 1.4%. In Cambridge, it was $690,000, which is down by 6.2%. In August, the Guelph real estate market showed subtle yet promising shifts, signaling some potential changes for both buyers and sellers. Home sale prices rose by 1.7% compared to last August, a modest gain that hints at a market finding stability after recent fluctuations. Interestingly, the average price per square foot dipped by 1.6%, suggesting that while prices are inching up, buyers may be getting more space for their money. The number of homes listed for sale grew significantly, with 234 properties hitting the market, an 18.2% increase from the previous year. This growing inventory gives buyers more options, which is a shift from the tighter market seen in previous months. Despite the higher number of listings, sales activity was also up. Guelph saw 113 homes sold in August, a 10.8% increase compared to last year, indicating that demand is still healthy even with more homes available. For buyers, this market offers more choices and the potential for slightly better deals on larger homes. With inventory rising and prices steadying, there's an opportunity to find a property without the intense competition that has characterized the market in recent years. Sellers, on the other hand, may need to be more strategic. While the uptick in prices is encouraging, the increased inventory means that there's more competition, so ensuring that homes are well priced and presented will be key in attracting buyers and getting your home sold. In summary, the August market in Guelph reflects a balanced, dynamic market with steady prices, more listings, and continued buyer demand. This creates opportunities for both buyers and sellers, but timing, marketing, and positioning remains absolutely critical in this evolving landscape. Thanks for joining me today, and if you're thinking about a move or would like to discuss the market and how it relates to you, feel free to give me a call. Have a great day.